Hi friends, Christine Toney with Essentially Styled. I just wanted to come on here today to share with you some amazing things that are happening with Lilla Rose. And it's a huge opportunity for you if you're interested in starting your own business. We just found out today that our enrollment kits are available for $49. I signed up 5 years ago for $49 for 5 clips. Today you get over, I'm going to show you the kit itself. You get over $300 worth of product for $49. It is crazy. You get 2 of the leather 8s, and with their sticks you get 8 flexies, 2 hair bands, 2 bobby pins, let's see, hair sticks, 1 of the long swirls, which actually I don't even see on here, it's missing. You get 1 of the long U-pins. Tremendous amount of product that you can use to show. And if you are home, this is an awesome opportunity to have a business from home. We're in a very trying time right now with our country, and one of the things that I am so thankful for is that I can work from my home and still bring in some money to make payments. If you're looking to make a monthly payment, whether it's a car payment, a ballet class payment, something along those lines, you can have your answer with Lilla Rose, and I'm so very thankful for that opportunity. For $49 for this week, $10, it will be $10 more each additional week in April to go back to its normal price of $89 at the end of April. So it's still an amazing deal even at $89, but $49 for this week. So I just wanted to share that with you. And not only will you get all of the product for $49, $300 worth of product, you'll also get a business binder. Now, and I'm trying to do this in reverse, so let's see. The things that come in here, you have a calendar, you can keep track of the team members, your style ups or our parties, when you go live, keep track of orders that come in, craft and vendor events, all kinds of training. We have tons of free training opportunities, not only from myself, but for our company, and we share very freely within our company. So it really is an amazing time to join Lilla Rose. Again, $49. With that, you also get a 30 to 45% discount without any monthly or quarterly quotas. The only requirement is $29 a year. So whether that can come through your website from customers or an order that you place for yourself is $29 retail. So you would even pay less than that to maintain that 30 to 45% discount or commissions. So it really is an amazing opportunity. And I would love for you to join my team. If you have questions, please ask. It's a wonderful Lilla Rose family, and I just appreciate a company. I saw a post today that said you really know what kind of company you work for in times like this. And they have pulled out all the stops because they want to help us succeed. And they want to provide that opportunity to you during this difficult time. So it really is an awesome opportunity. So if you have questions, please reach out to me. I love to talk with you some more and give you some more information, but it really is as good as it sounds. So I hope to hear from you soon and hope that you can join my team. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.